Hello, welcome back to this channel. My name is Victor Shamaki. Today I want to show you how to trim multiple clips all at once in Premiere Pro. Now I have multiple clips that have several duration, so I want to shorten these clips by one frame. So to do that, you either come to and click on this ripple delete or ripple edit, or you use the shortcut B. And once you've done that, you see this very button, you come and adjust it so that you have your clips in this way. Then you click here once, then you drag it on the clips. Click. Click either from the left or from the right and drag. When you have this line shown you like this, when you release it, what it does is that it converts your program mode into a setting more like, you can see some buttons down here. Now this brown, if you do minus, it means it's going to shorten each of these clips by one frame, all of those selected clips. If I click on this 5, it's going to backward each of the selected clips by 5 frames. If I click on the trim forward, it's going to add one frame to each of them. If I click on +5, it's going to add 5 frames into each of the clips. So what I wanted to do is to shorten them by 1. So I'm just going to click on -1. So it has shortened the whole of these clips, each of them by 1 frame. So that's it. If you find this useful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.